Hi and welcome to another Clear Natural Spas video. This is the LX28-1 single pump spa. As we approach it, we can already see the illuminated corner accents, which at the moment are in colour changing mode. You can select solid colour or have it cycle through as it's doing at the moment. These run through colour changing at the same time as the illuminated drinks trays, of which there's 4 on the spa. We've also got backlit waterfall and quite difficult to see illuminated jet in the bottom of one of the main seats, along with the main underwater light. So very nice lighting package. It will change the colour of the water because of the light tub surface. Just walking around to the control, we've got the 2 main seats which run into the bench seat at the rear. Okay, so at the moment we're running on speed 1. If I increase the speed, we're pressing the jets button. Speed 2, see more water movement, and we can add air using the air control to increase the intensity of the massage. Then in that seat we've got separate control with the air into the seat, which we're currently running. The bench seat has a single air control in the back. And then we walk round to a very unique feature of the spa, which is the diversion system. So at the moment we've got all jets on the tub running. We can rotate to this main jet to give us a whirlpool feature. Very strong jets, which is the other jets off. Diversion off power. We can then change the power to one end of the tub, main seating area, and if we rotate it again, we bring the power to the bench seat. So a lot of flexibility in terms of the area and intensity of massage. We've also got the waterfall, which we looked at briefly earlier. Control. Just zooming out the tub. Final look. If you'd like to know more about it, please call us on 01684 276 555 and visit our website www.clearnaturalspas.com.